Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing good. So in today's video, I will share 3 methods you can use to shut down your Windows 11 laptop or desktop with the help of keyboard. So let's start with our first method. So in the first method, you have to press this FN key, this function key, FN key, then press Alt key, then press this F4 key. So you have to press all the 3 keys together at the same time. Press all the 3 keys and this will show you this kind of window to shut down your laptop. Now you have to just press the enter key to shut down your laptop. So this is your first method, or in some laptop you don't need to use this FN key. You have to just directly press Alt key and the F4 key to shut down your laptop. Okay. So now move on to the next method you can apply. So in the second method, you have to press this window key and this X button. Press both the keys together and this will show you this kind of window. Now you have to press the U button on your laptop, this U button. Press it and this will show you another screen. Now to shut down your laptop, you have to press the U button, or if you want to restart your laptop, in that case you have to press the R button. Okay, on your keyboard, U button for shutdown and R button for a restart. Okay, now this is your method 2. Move on to the third method you can use. So in the third method, you have to press 3 keys. First is Ctrl key, Alt key and the delete button. So you have to press all the 3 keys together at the same time. Press all the 3 keys. This will show you this kind of window. Now you have to press the tab key. Press the tab key multiple times to select your power button. This is the power button. Now press enter and this will show you the multiple options to shut down or restart. Okay, so you can shut down your laptop or you can restart your laptop. So these are the 3 methods you can use. This is all for the video. Thank you.